Kitchen vocabulary. In this lesson, I will teach you the Igbo names for common kitchen items. I will also teach you a few Igbo verbs that you can use in the kitchen. Pot, ite, ite. Plate, efere, efere. Spoon, ngaji, ngaji. Knife, mma, mma. Cup, iko, iko. Bowl, ọkụ, ọkụ. Now the kitchen verbs. The verbs are in the verb root, so in the infinitive form. So to cook is isi. The verb root is cook. Si. Si. Boil is also si. Si. Fry. Ye. Ye. Peel. Bacha. Bacha. Or becha. Becha. Or simply be. Be. Depending on the item you're peeling, they have different verbs. So peeling yam is not the same verb as peeling an orange. Roast. Hun. Hun. Thank you for watching. Cody.